pretty tight, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, I hear you. Yeah, you gotta watch it, man.
Now there's a guy on YouTube that has a truck just like this, who I'm a subscriber of, and he's a subscriber of me, and that's a guy named Wesley Johnson. He's just getting started here on YouTube. He has a small channel. He's put a few videos out on his truck, but I'm going to go ahead and link his channel in the video description below. If you like this truck and want to see somebody work on one, go ahead and check his channel out, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to him and show him some love. Another small update for this video that I wanted to throw in is the fact that I got the Jeep starter all painted up nice and it's ready to go back on the Jeep, and hopefully I can get a first start video on it before too long. But I wanted to also take the time and ask you if you would check out 3 smaller channels that are in the video description below. That's Wydock Productions, Third Coast OBS, and Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Those guys have just kind of got started on YouTube within the last year or so, done a few videos. They have a lot of great content on there as well. So go ahead and check those guys out, show them support. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to them. We've built up a great community on YouTube, those 3 channels and I, plus Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop. Those guys have been great to me, and I wouldn't be where I'm at right now if they didn't help me out. So I wanted to say thank you to them very much for what they've done for me. It's much appreciated, and I really thank everybody for taking the time out of their day to watch my videos. It truly means a lot. I know there's probably some people out there right now that think they got me figured out, thinking that I'm going to go ahead and pull the axles and transfer case and everything out from under this truck and put it under my brown rollback. And right there, I just have to tell you right now, you couldn't be more wrong. But just because I won't take my brown rollback and 4-wheel drive swap it, doesn't mean that I won't 4-wheel drive swap this old rough 77 Ford F600. If there ever was a project on my channel that you didn't want to miss out on, I think this is the one. Because I don't know of anybody that's got a 2-ton 4-wheel drive rollback. But this project, that's for another video. Thanks for watching today's video. I know it's probably a little bit different than the Relic recovery ones that I've done before. I had a commenter that said he'd like to see some videos without the music, and I'm going to try to do it a different route on this one, so hopefully you do enjoy. But thanks again for watching. If you would also check out my buddies at Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop. Their channel links will be in the video description below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question down below, consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And as always, just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.